this video we will be learning about array indexing. NumPy offers several ways to index into arrays and changing specific elements, rows and columns. So we are going to import NumPy as np equals np.range of 0 to 11. So when we print it, we will see the value from 0 to 10. So similar to Python list, NumPy array can also be sliced. So let's index a 1D array, let's say 2. So it will show the value of the second value. Now I am putting 1 to 4, so it will show from 1, 2 and 3. Let's change this to 6 and then here nothing. So you can see from 0 to 5 it is showing, and when I put here 3 it will show from 3 to 10. So now let's slice it. I am going to make a variable as slice of a equals a 0 to 5, and I am going to print the slice value, slice a, so it will show the value of the newly sliced array. Now let's make the change here, slice underscore a, and I am going to change all the values of the array to 100. When I print slice a, it will show all the value will be converted to 100. So when I print a, some values will be changed. So you can see some values are changed and the original value is as it is. So let's make a copy of a underscore copy equals a dot copy, and when I print a copy, it will contain the value of the a. Now I am going to change the value of a copy to 200. So let's do it, a underscore copy, and then the whole value will be changed to 200. Print a underscore copy, so whole values is converted to 200, but the original value is the previous one. So you can see the original value. So we must be always careful when copying the array. So let's make a new one, np.array, and let's say here I am going to put the new values as 1, 2 and 3, and then I am going to copy, let's say b equals a, and then it is similar to b is equal to a dot copy, but I have used b is equal to a. Let's say b0 equals 100. So the first value will be changed. When I print a, the value of a is changed. Like you can see here, the first value is being changed to 100. So now let's index a 2D array, that is matrices. So let me create a variable named mat and then put inside it np.array, and I will put the values 5, 10, 20, and then I am going to put 20, 25, 30, and again I am going to make a new one. Here I am putting 35, 40 and 10. Okay, so this is our new matrix. So I am going to print match. So when I print it, I can see the new matrix, and now let me index it. Let me put 1 here, so I can see the first value of first row, 20, 25 and 30. I am going to put 2 here, so I am seeing 35, 40 and 10. So we will get a individual value by putting mat, let's say 1 and 1. So we will get an individual value, that is 25. Let's change it to, you can write it like this also, 1, 2. So when we write like this, I have to put a square bracket in the end. The individual value has been printed as 30. Now let's slice this, let's say 0. So it is showing 5, 10 and 20. And now let me do this 1 and then comma and then 2, like this. So you can see it is being sliced from bottom left corner 2, 2. Now let's me shape the bottom row. The bottom row, you must see it as this is the bottom row, 35, 40 and 10. Now I am going to change this to 2, this. So I can see it's the same value is been printed as the bottom value. Now I am going to make a variable a equals np.array, and then I am going to put the new values over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then in the next one I am going to put some 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So this is my new variable a. I am going to print the value of a. So when I print it, I am seeing the new values. So we will get a specific element by putting the row and column. So I am going to put 1, 5. So I can see the value 13. So similarly, we can get a specific row also by printing 0 to this, so colon. So I am getting the whole value of the row. And for all the columns, we can put like this, just changing it to 0, and here a colon. So it is showing 1, 8. Now getting a little more fancy, we are going to put the value as 0, 1, no, let's say 1 semicolon -1 and then 2. So when I do this, I am getting the array of 2, 4 and 6. So similarly, I can get the value as I have done in the first case, 1 to 5. So this is the value of 1 to 5, and now I am going to change it to here, let's say a, and then I am going to put 2 equals 1, 2, and then when I print it, I will see the value as the same. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to 14.